Hey everyone, this is Train by 70. Today, I got Bachmann, Thomas Faker, Farmer Trotter, and his pig. So, here it is. So, here's the front. And in the back, I'll show some other Bachmann, Thomas, and Fakers available to buy. Let's unbox it, shall we? Here's Farmer Trotter and those pigs. I had to stand those pigs up off camera, so I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back! As you can see, I just stand 7 pigs. So here they are. Stand up. Let's take a look at them. First up is a farmer. His name is Farmer Trotter, and he has 7 pigs. If you like them, just send a nice comment. Well guys, that's it with this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and we'll see you in the next video.